Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of a boil in 24 hours using one single home remedy. This home remedy has been tried and tested and it works. It's the use of a warm, moist compress. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to make a warm, moist compress. Applying a warm, moist compress to the skin can be soothing, and in addition, it draws pus to the surface, allowing the boil to drain fast. You can easily make a warm, moist compress at home, and I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to make a warm, moist compress. So what would you need to make a warm, moist compress? You need a large bowl, a kettle to boil your water, and you need a small towel. You can use a face towel if that is what you have. What you need to do is bring all these things together so you don't have to go back and forth. Now, fill your kettle with some water and bring it to the boil. In fact, you need to warm the water up to about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. If you can't gauge this and you allow the water to boil, then it means that when you pour it into the bowl, you need to allow it to cool a little bit so you don't burn your skin when you drop the towel in and start rigging. In case you don't have an electric kettle, you can still get yourself a saucepan, fill it with water, and put it on your stove or your cooker and allow that to boil. Once your water is ready, pour the water into a bowl. Allow it to cool down a little and drop your towel in the water. Step 2. Soak the towel in the warm water and rake out the excess. Do this when you're sure that the water is cool enough for you to touch. Now, step number 3, apply the towel to the boil for up to 20 minutes. You would realize that after about 5 to 10 minutes, the towel will start to cool down. You can dip the towel once again into the hot water, rig out the excess water, and apply the warm towel to the boil once again. You can repeat this process several times in the day, and this should help the boil drain very fast. I hope this video is helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Also, leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.